I've just spoken to Rear Admiral Soto just now. There will be a full investigation by the time we get to Arlington. And that's probably going to result in a court-martial of Commander Dana, along with a few others involved. Your involvement in the affair is going to be thoroughly investigated. There's going to be some hard questions to answer.
I understand.
You made a mistake a few years ago, but your service since then has earned you a great deal of respect. But this incident is going to cost you some of that respect.
Well, I've thought about that. Quite a bit. Can't help but think I should have come forward a bit sooner.
When the time came to make a decision, you made the right one. You chose to tell the truth and face the consequences. As long as you keep that up, you'll earn the right to wear that uniform. And I'll be proud to be in command under you.
Thank you, sir.
Hope it turns out well.
Is that it?
That's it.
Except we blew the line, but that's okay. Who's
Now I
under
put
who now?
myself on